Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Mr. Nuritten Demir, our respected former office bearers, executive members and our friends, we warmly welcome our esteemed guest to Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce. Last week we had a meeting with him regarding the trade and bilateral opportunities Pakistan and Turkey can explore. And we invited him to Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce, which His Excellency accepted our invitation, and today he is here in Gujranwala. So I would like to start off with the recitation of Holy Quran. First of all, I would like to request Mr. Faisal Sattar for the recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
We sincerely appreciate the commitment of Commercial Attaché of Republic of Turkey, Mr. Nuritten Demir. To begin our meeting, I would like to present a detailed documentary highlighting the economic profile of Gujranwala.
Gujranwala, the land of peculiar identity and warmth, the city that is achieving Pakistan's progress and prosperity goals at a fast pace. The city that is exporting more than 150 products of worth $2.5 billion approximately to over 80 countries after attaining and maintaining world standards in just a few years. Its goods have considerably shrunk the Pakistani import bill, saving the country an annual $3 billion in form of import substitution. The growth trajectory of the city towards the industrial progress can be gauged from the fact that it has paid over 40 billion rupees tax at the Regional Tax Office Gujranwala level only this year. It has over 8,000 small and medium and 13,000 cottage industry units, contributing day and night to the national prosperity and progress. The Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, GCCI, is fully motivated to bring about economic stability in Gujranwala in particular and in Pakistan in general. It has been organizing Made in Gujranwala exhibitions to present different local products of unmatched standard and sophistication to the world for the last 2 decades. It wants to ensure incessant increase in foreign exchange through the promotion of indigenous products at the local and international levels by conducting the exhibitions. The GCCI has raised the slogan My Gujranwala to help Gujranwala make a mark in the business and industrial community. The slogan has earned the status of the City of Engineering for Gujranwala. GCCI's determined march towards its goals guarantees a bright future. Gujranwala is considered as the second largest city in Pakistan with regard to SMEs due to the GCCI's continuous efforts. According to the Punjab Economic Report, Gujranwala is the 4th largest city in Punjab with regard to the spread of large-scale industry. Being a model of Prime Minister's ease of doing business vision, it has the honor of bagging 6th position according to the World Bank Report's ranking. The GCCI is offering ample job opportunities in order to eradicate poverty in Pakistan. Confirming this, a recent Punjab Directorate of Industries report has declared Gujranwala as the country's 7th largest employment provision city. Under GCCI's patronage, different member industries are producing durable quality products for exports and domestic utilization like ceramic sanitary ware, ceramic tiles, refractory bricks, pipes and fittings, sanitary fittings, bathroom accessories, light and heavy engineering, spare parts of hydro and thermal power plant, pumps and motors, machine tools and capital goods, automobile parts, agriculture implements, home appliances, tableware, cutlery, cookware, melamine and stainless steel utensils, hunting knives and swords, textiles, carpets, prayer mats and rugs, rice, seed and agro-processing, food, confectionery, plastic furniture, wood furniture, steel furniture, metal processing, hardware, steel security equipment, paper and paperboard, chemical and detergents, beauty products and cosmetics, nylon rope, steel furnace, construction goods, etc. As many as 34 Asian, 23 European, 13 African, 3 North American, 5 South American, and 2 Australian countries are the destination of the products of Gujranwala's small and medium industries, showcasing GCCI's hard work and determination. The GCCI facilitates its honorable members in a variety of ways. It readily provides ease of business assistance to the business community so as to best utilize its precious time for the national progress and development. The GCCI hosts at its premises help desks for various departments for its members. These include Police Khidmat Markaz, Driving License Counter, Business Registration Portal, SMEDA, SECP, WeBot, E-Business Invitation E-Bill Portal Desk, GEPCO. In view of Gujranwala's industrial importance, the GCCI had got approved 3 mega projects for it from the federal government. They are Gujranwala Business Center, Gujranwala Tools, Die and Mold Center, and Ceramic Center. This center is also benefiting other cities. Modern technical education is also being offered to hone the skills of local workers. Similarly, by rolling out quality designs, the Ceramics Center is playing a major role in promoting the local ceramics industry. Significantly, the GCCI ensured the establishment of the small industrial estates and the export processing zone. Currently, these estates with their vast industrial assets are contributing a great deal in the national economy by producing top quality items. Industrial estate number 42 has been established for promoting industry and to meet the pressing need of the industrial expansion. It is also vital to present the GCCI's welfare aspect, under which the Gujranwala business community has taken revolutionary steps in the health sector on self-help basis, providing healthcare to nearly 40% of the city's population. Siddiq Sadiq Trust Hospital for Cardiology, Haji Murad Eye Trust Hospital, Ibrahim Eye Trust Hospital, Jinnah Trust Hospital, Rafiq Anwar Memorial Trust Hospital, Allama Iqbal Trust Hospital, and Al Rai Trust Hospital are serving the humanity 24 hours a day along with other hospitals. Upgradation of the district hospital and provision of latest ambulances to it, free hepatitis injections for the poor and regular upgradation of the social security hospital are also its achievements. The GCCI has always fully cooperated with the district administration. Its contributions include provision of Japanese fire tenders to the Rescue Dole 122 and motorcycles for police. In addition, its members generously donate for the rehabilitation of the affectees of any calamity that hits the country. The GCCI, with cooperation of its valued members, is awarding scholarships in the field of education to financially deserving brilliant students through established Health Education Trust and provision of cooperation in monetary terms for the welfare of prisoners through Prisoners Welfare Trust, established with the collaboration of Administration of District Central Jail, are also some of the highlighted activities and initiatives include incorporate social responsibility of GCCI and many other social welfare projects were undertaken needed from time to time. Students of Gujranwala had to travel to other cities for engineering, medical and university education. To facilitate them, the GCCI managed to establish Rachna Engineering College, Gujranwala Medical College and Punjab University's local campus in Gujranwala from the government. The GCCI earnestly desires self-help-based mega projects at the local and national level in view of Gujranwala's industrial potential and provision of missing facilities to the city, its people and industry so as to enhance our industrial production and exports. The dream projects include Special Economic Zone, New Industrial Estate, Dry Port, Motorway Link, Cargo Train for Golden Triangle Region, latest international material testing and certification lab, Expo Center, Children's Hospital, University of Gujranwala, and and all such initiatives lead to strengthen industry-academia linkage to commercialize the research. The GCCI is striving hard to meet its targets and believes that the future of the coming generations could be brightened only by strengthening Pakistan's economy through vibrant business. It stands by the Pakistan government in expanding business activity in the country.
Sir, I would like to share some key trade statistics regarding the bilateral trade between Pakistan and Turkey as provided by the State Bank of Pakistan. In the fiscal year 24 and 25, the trade volume between Pakistan and Turkey stands at approximately US $908 million. Pakistan exported to Turkey during this tenure worth $264 million, and during the same period, imports from Turkey were valued at $643 million. Some of the major import products that were exported from Pakistan to Turkey were wood, rice, barber scissor box, rubber, confectionery items, steel pellets, and nail clippers. So to enhance the trade activities between Gujranwala, Pakistan, and the Turkey, promoting frequent exchange of trade delegations, facilitating B2B contacts, organizing exhibitions in each other's countries, and encouraging reciprocal participation by business leaders will significantly bolster our bilateral trade and investments. Additionally, the exchange of visits by top executives can greatly strengthen our economic ties. So once again, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for your visit to our chamber. I am confident that our discussion that is happening and that will happen today will play a pivotal role in strengthening the economic relationship between Pakistan and Turkey. Your presence here is a testament to our shared commitment to enhancing bilateral trade and investment. I would like you to share your thoughts regarding the Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and your visit here. Sure. Question.
Dear Honorable Senior Vice President of Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Saad, and valuable executive members and officials and distinguished members, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Firstly, I want to express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude for this event and being here. We wish and believe that this kind of events will bring together Turkish and Pakistani entrepreneurs and business counterparts for further cooperation and collaboration. Always we are saying connectivity. First connectivity, you will come us, we will come here or we will meet anywhere and discussing the opportunities. And then, inshallah, business, buying, selling, investing comes. As we have know that Gujranwala and around are doing business in many sectors, as we see, alhamdulillah, I appreciate, no doubt that, yeah, that's one of the major industries still in Pakistan. Agricultural and implements and products to heavy engineering, fans, steel, cookware, home appliances, sanitary wares, sanitary fittings, motor pumps, hardware items, and so on. But there are many, alhamdulillah. It means that there are many business sectors that we should collaborate and or trade with them. I want to reaffirm that Turkey and Pakistan are countries which have always unwavering brotherhood dates back decades. What I'm saying, alhamdulillah, we are very, very happy. We have long-standing ties, cultural ties, and inshallah, till Qiyamah, it's gonna go on. There are strong cultural, social, and commercial ties between two countries, which is one of them trade and industry. At this context, I really appreciate all stakeholders which want to help and promote Turkey and Pakistan trade investment activities, such as Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We hope that this kind of activity will bring new opportunities and open new avenues for brother countries, Pakistan and Turkey, helping in collaboration with both countries, companies, institutions, and organizations. as Mr. Saad mentioned, B2Bs, delegations, there are very important things. I want to inform you that Turkey has over 2.5 billion US dollar direct investment in Pakistan in various sectors, FMCG and beverage and chemicals, textile chemicals, and cheese, goods, some foods, cheese, Rella cheese, right? Particularly in energy, some companies are dealing with energy, mining. Yes, this is direct investment. Particularly, it's remarkable that Turkey is up to 1.4 trillion US dollar GDP. Alhamdulillah, we are at the trillion dollar GDP class, and we are proud of you are proud of country for proud of Turkey. By providing quality goods and services in a high level growth rates in almost all fields, as well as 17,000 USD per capita and over 262 billion USD dollar annual export. It means that Turkey has resilient economic dynamics with its impressive GDP growth rate and export volume. It means that inshallah we'll work together and bright future inshallah will wait together. If both countries join hands, it's inevitable that there will be good achievements in services as well as in good trade. At this point, I want to declare that Turkish General Consulate Office of Commercial Attaché in Lahore will be glad to provide you with the necessary support related sectors of Gujranwala, any kind of B2B delegation or investment opportunities. We are ready in Lahore, inshallah. We have an office in Gulberg 3. Yeah. If any businessman wants to invest in Turkey or import goods from Turkey or office doors are corporate and make GV with Turkey in doing business are wide open for those interested business community and entrepreneurs. As I conclude my words, I greet you all with my deepest respect and wish Turkey and Pakistan and the success and prosperity. Because we are saying we are brother, so it requires the good relation in trade as well, tijarat as well, you see. We see the inshallah, as you mentioned, around $1 million, 1 billion, 1.9, yeah, about around $1 million, sometimes 1.2, depending on the defense or something, products. But we have targeted $5 billion trade volume. So how can we do that? Connectivity, always I'm saying connectivity. So delegations, B2B, you will see, you will go to Turkey, and they will come here, we can encourage them. And discussing the sectoral base, okay? Sectoral base and product base, because as you know, Pakistan one of the cheapest labor force, and that's good opportunity to invest here. So I want to say that my motto, Turkey, Pakistan Zindabad, to Qiyamah. To Qiyamah, inshallah.
How is this open for the questions?
Yeah, question based we can discuss and what can we do, what can your concern, your points, your remarks, and your comments.
First of all, I welcome Nuritten, GCCI, and I want to discuss about the alarming situation that our trade between Turkey and Pakistan is day by day going to downward direction. In 2020, our trade is $460 million, and now it is $264 million. Why we don't take this action between Pakistan and economic trade?
Actually, in order to improve and develop both countries import-export. We have signed a good trade agreement, but we have seen that it's not enough to implement this, to reach this level, the high level, $5 billion. So it's under revision, and you can involve in the process, okay? Because lists are being arranged, Annex E and Annex B. You can find the Ministry of Trade website, the agreement and annexes. And so you can say that this kind of product we were selling, but now that so customs duties, the duties are determining the trade generally, import. And you see this cost of the $1. If you say 50 cents, you can say it can be 50 cents, no matter which country, okay? Because trade has no, unfortunately, can say mercy. So you can involve in the updating the lists, okay, as chamber, NGOs like this kind of NGOs as well. So you can say that these items we are producing, we are manufacturing, so we are brother country, big target, the high level, right, $5 billion. So these items, we are thinking that must be the list, concession list. It will move.
Any other questions?
Well, Mr. Nuritten, first of all, hoş geldiniz.
Hoş bulduk. Welcome.
We are very happy to have you here. My name is Saad Jamil. I'm representing Elegance Automotives Private Limited from Gujranwala.
Automotive.
Yes, automotive.
Okay, well, parts or?
Yes, automotive parts.
Automotive parts, yeah.
Agriculture tractor parts.
You have to involve in the Bursa, we have automotrists here.
Yes, that's what I'm going to talk about.
Yeah.
So, I have a few questions
Yeah.
regarding the continuous depression for some time in lira and rising inflation in Turkey. We have been exporting our products for some time now. Currently, we are looking to directly invest in Turkey. We have already been in conversation with some businessmen in Istanbul, in Izmir. In the upcoming year, in February, we are also participating in Agro Expo 2026 in Izmir.
Yeah.
So my question is, what kind of support we can get from you in order to directly invest? Because what we have expected from our experience, Turkey is a center point of not only to export to Europe, but to Africa also, because agriculture is everywhere. So we want to utilize Turkey as our base point to export to Europe and Africa as well. So what kind of support we can get on your?
Yeah, you can contact with our office, and we will convey your investment office, and they will find a good partner, and they will tell the incentive. We can also tell the incentives, and what kind of investment, what type of investment. Okay, depending on investment type, we have some clauses. Okay, some packages. Okay. And we will be happy to see any kind of investment in Turkey, and you will come us and we'll discuss and we will tell you what will you do.
Sure, I would be glad to share my contact.
Yeah. You can share my card, and of course.
Sure, I'll be in touch.
Because as you know, we are the middle of the Europe, Asia, Middle East, Africa, so it's good for marketing all over. And as we say, we just end of this year, $1.5 trillion GDP. It means there are many the $1 trillion league, and technology, alhamdulillah, and we are we are independently manufacturing some many items. Okay, many goods. That's good. Defense sector and automotive. You know, we have manufactured Tok EV car with Turkish made. Okay, Turkey made. And believe me, actually at the first I had also some concern, but now we are exporting Tok to Europe. Unbelievable, but it's true. Alhamdulillah. I mean, any kind of investment, come our office in Gurbet located, contact with my secretary. We will see automotive, plastic, packaging, even there or here, no matter, because we are brother countries. I'm not so going to come and invest in Turkey. That's okay, I can say. But also, you know, the major cost, raw material, energy, and labor. The labor is cheap here. Okay, we can also think about manufacturing. So that's why some of companies are manufacturing here. Faisal about 5 companies, and dollars. You know, we bought Arçelik, bought the dollars brand, and we are manufacturing home appliances. So both sides, both countries can invest in each other.
Yeah, that's my main point of increasing connectivity between the people. One only concern that I would like you to address. For some time now, we have been seeing a continuous depression in Turkish lira and in rising inflation, particularly in the major cities.
Inflation, we have middle-term program. We have downed it from 80% to now 30%, and it's going well, alhamdulillah. And you know, what? We have multi-functional channels, services, tourism, and some service export, okay, and not only goods and material. So what I mean, last year goods export was $2 billion. It means exchange is okay. And tourism income, $62 billion, tourism income. And services over $120 billion. So sometimes, you know, in economics we made some illnesses like inflation, but alhamdulillah, our government is dealing with this well, and now inshallah next year under 20%, inshallah, and in 2027 one digit. 7, 8, that's moderate figures, we will see, and no issue. And we have free exchange policy, so you can invest in freely.
Thank you so much.
Alaikum salam, brother.
Mr. Tashi, you are welcome here. You are welcome here. We love Turkey.
Nice, thank you.
Our brotherhood relation. I have a question regarding the drone technology, drone industry and technology.
Yeah.
Recently, all over the world, it has been seen drone technology achievements of Pakistan and Turkey. I would like to express my thought. What should be cooperation can be made regarding drone technology, drone industry? What kind of dimensions we can have in this regard? Not only to import from Turkey, I would like to prefer with the reference of technology exchange.
Yeah, defense sector is special sector, not only this or this table or this class. Defense sector, special and crucial sector in each country. So we have a defense consular here in Islamabad. Inshallah, I will provide to meet you, okay, to any interested in defense sector, and drone and some other defense equipment, we can say this diplomatically, you say this one. And you discussing with the detail with Mr. Abdullah, defense consular, because it's his specialty. My normal regular goods.
Drone is not only limited to defense purpose.
But we know it's even commercial side. Mr. Abdullah is dealing with all kinds of this. We say sectors, okay. Not only it's used in the war or something. We say sectoral based defense, all items. And now 2 years ago, Mr. Abdullah had been appointed in Islamabad, and we can arrange a meeting and opportunity.
Defense attaché.
Yeah, defense attaché. No, defense is different, military. This is semi-governmental, private, like drone. You would say armed or different, yeah, but not military. Okay.
I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, military we have, but this, Mr. Abdullah, we say defense industry. Okay, defense. Yeah. Exactly what you need.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Abdullah Orhan, I will inshallah mention this meeting with him. Okay, I will share your collaboration inshallah request, and he will contact with you inshallah. You can share your card with my secretary. I'm gonna tell him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions from anyone?
Aleykümselam. Hoş bulduk tekrar. Sağ ol, çok teşekkür ederim. Yeah.
Şimdi bu saatte İstanbul'da export nasıl gidiyor? Çünkü dolar yükseliyor, lira aşağı gidiyor.
Or export alhamdulillah going well. This end of this year we weighed 269 or 270 billion dollar. Because as you know, sectoral based, some sectors stable, some sector down, but some sector up. Okay, we call it resilient. Turkey has resilient dynamics. Yeah, just end of this year, $41 billion automotive and auto part export. $41 billion, just one sector. Yeah, but for example, textile stable. Why? Because labor cost a little bit high in Turkey. Minimum wage $600, as you know. Here $150. So, but some sectors stable, some sector little bit more, but some sector, alhamdulillah, going well. Like defense sector, like automotive, and like electronics, okay, and like machinery, okay. Just we have organized an expo, Turkish product expo. Alhamdulillah, some customers contacted with the Turkish machinery factories. That's good, alhamdulillah. So sometimes, inflation and some exchange problem, but we can deal with, because we have seen many economic, because 50 years, but alhamdulillah, depending on the program, we are going well. And inshallah, we will work together, and most countries, we see the bright future. Yeah.
You also come here, you call your friends, industrial persons, and come here. There is a living industries, and raw material is very cheap. Others, that's country.
Yeah. What I said that there are main three: energy, raw material, and labor. Okay, and any manufacturing, like any kind of manufacturing. That's the so labor is the 30%, 25% is approximately the manufacturing process. So Turkish companies are coming here. Yeah. Now mining in Balochistan and some infrastructure and technical consultancy companies and are coming here. Some infrastructure project and infrastructure.
Some projects here, and you help me.
Yeah, Gujranwala, you will inform, you will let us know the projects, okay, and planning, and we'll discuss, we'll inform Turkey side to come and invest here. If you don't know, what will you say then? Yeah. So we are not regular countries. We are, as we say, what we say, brother requires everything in good in any area. Okay.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ali.
Thank you for coming to Shamble. First of all, I need to know if there any minimum investment is required if we are going to register any trading company in Turkey, and how lengthy process is that?
Yeah, depending on the company type, some minimum, we have minimum capital, okay, amount. But corporate or limited, well, not so much. I think, as far as I know, for $50,000 around there, in there, minimum.
And how lengthy process is that? How many months are raised? How many
A process, In Istanbul Chamber, 1 minute. You can, yeah, I read the online, and 1 minute you can, because international bank, opening bank account, yes, it takes time, but after completing the process, it's just a couple of minutes.
But for this, we have to hire some Turkish people in the company. Is there any condition that we must have to hire local Turkish people in the company for establishment of the trading company?
I mean, in Turkey, local company?
Yeah, we have to hire some local Turkish or not?
Actually, foreigner companies, Ministry of Industry, okay, and evaluating, and there are special sectoral base, okay, they are evaluating and then giving permission. Then we can discuss type of the, it depends on the type of the company, okay, and sector. Okay, regularly, because as you know, many countries are investing and operating in Turkey, free zones, industrial zones, okay, America, Europe, many countries, and no any restriction. But some special sectors, maybe government say this JV, for example, or independently. You can tell us, my secretary, and we can specific base. We can say that this is the minimum capital. This your sector is restricted, okay, or not. We can inform you.
Just I'm talking about the textile sector. Textile sector.
Textile sector, yes, we have also textile sector. Textile sector, some foreign companies are working in Turkey with using their labor and branding, okay, their branding. Some manufacturing, they manufacture brand names, and then yeah, we can discuss in detail in my office.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Once again, His Excellency, we are very honored to have you here, and we are looking forward to continuous engagement between Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Turkey Consulate. As we have already requested you that we are planning to take a delegation to Turkey in November, and we would like you to have to arrange some meeting with Istanbul Chamber of Commerce or any other stakeholder that would like to have business with Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce in Pakistan. We would like you to engage us in B2B meetings and with the investors there. We can share our vision and the opportunities we have here, and they can share similarly the opportunities they have for the Pakistani investors.
Yeah.
So once again, thank you very much for coming here to Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce. I would like you to have a souvenir